Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, classy, elegant, and unique video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, the whole pattern is multi-dimensional and multi-usable. That is, all of you are seeing very beautiful patterns of neckline embroidery that are specifically designed for blouse embroidery. Those blouse could be for your lehenga, choli, sari blouse. Even the blouse embroidery patterns could equally be used for heavy floral different type of neckline embroideries like bot neck, like deep neck with different stylized patterns of shoulder embroidery and many more creativities as per your own choices. Different age group like teenagers, like office going, school going, university going, any type of formal everyday comfortable dresses could be made by using these very beautiful, elegant and easy to make user friendly, like beginner friendly hand embroidery designs, and the beauty and creativity makes them two-dimensional, that is equally designed for machine embroidery as well as for hand embroidery. Guys, these designs are very unique. As you know, it is upcoming, so you can design these beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto your e-dresses, and the beauty and creativity makes them more useful, that they are equally designed for machine embroidery as well. They could be equally used for machine embroidery or liquid embroidery, which is being termed as fabric painting also. So baby dresses could also be designed by using these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So getting more flavors and more design ideas of hand embroidery, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and share and watch on the basis of daily for new designs.